Hi guys. Now we're going to talk about what are we going to do in this course. Now this course breaks into two parts. The first is the English language arts component. Now that's going to be where we look at literary texts. We're going to look at different forms of media texts. We're going to look at the way that we write and communicate and the way that we use language. The second part of this course is on how we learn, and for that we're going to be looking at self-regulated learning. Now these two work really good together, and they're also going to help you guys, especially the self-regulated learning part is going to help you guys outside of this class as well in all your other courses. Now there's 5 major goals for this course. The first is to develop critical thinking and self-regulated learning skills. 2 is to explore your thoughts, feelings, and ideas. 3 is to comprehend and respond personally and critically to oral, literary, and media texts. 4 is to manage ideas and information while utilizing reflective process practices. And 5 is to enhance the artistry of communication and the clarity of communication. Now you're going, okay, how do I do all this? What do I got to do? Well, basically, you got to be responsible and respectful for what you do. By responsible, we're talking about that you take charge of what you do. Your learning is your responsibility. So you're going to make sure that you do the best you can and that you're on top of your assignments. I'm not going to hold your hand through this. It's up to you to stay on top of things. The respect part is equally important because there's going to be a lot of sharing and discussions that go on. You need to respect other people's opinions, and they should respect yours. If you can do those two things, you're going to be very successful in this class. Now, if you want an outline of what we're going to be doing in the class, check out the syllabus. But I can give you a quick rundown of what we're going to be doing. The first part is focusing on self-regulated learning. Then we're going to be getting into the Who Am I project, which is the biggest project for the whole term, and it runs from the start to the finish. Then we have, we're going to be doing some Shakespeare stuff, probably looking at one of his comedies. We're going to be doing some science fiction stuff. I list in the syllabus that we're doing Brave New World, but there's actually going to be an open component to that where you guys are going to be able to pick what novel you want to do for your science fiction study. And then we'll be getting into some other things, media. We're going to get into poetry, but we're going to look at slam poetry and video poetry, which is really fun and cool. And then we'll be moving forward from there. The next video will explain how we're going to be doing grading, and we grade in a very different way, so you definitely want to check out that video and read the resources that I have listed for you.